Okay, good morning. We have done some shopping for the new house. It's still far away, but we can use it also in our temporary house. So let's have an unpacking session, or how you call it?
Unboxing.
Unboxing, yeah, here we go.
The
First
first one. Yeah.
The Philips high-speed blender. And Shiela is going to...
Of course, the first one is the manual. It has the manual inside.
Okay, so we have this blender. This is glass. No, is this glass or the Titan? I will put all the specs on this side. Philips blender. Looks nice.
Maybe
Philips is not such a famous brand in Asia, but Philips has always produced the best products for...
Yeah. So this one has a rubber underneath, so it won't move when you use it. See? It's like a suction. You see?
I hear it.
Did you hear it? Okay.
Now you cannot take it off.
Can I do it?
It will drop in. Okay.
Just the cover. And this is how it looks like.
So, pretty tight on the floor. Okay. The next one that we're going to unbox is the... And here we go again.
Here we go again, another Philips.
Philips. Maybe we should ask Philips have a contribution for this.
Power chop. So this is a food processor.
Food processor. Yeah.
Cover. Let's take it first. And this is the juicer. This is the juicer.
And of course, we are in Holland, so the juicer have to be in orange.
Looks like this.
Wow, it's a big one.
Yeah, it's a big one. They're really packed nicely. And the blade, be careful. It has two blades. Yeah, two.
One is
One this, one.
is a rasper.
Oh, my hair is messy. You can also use it as a mirror. And the other blade is this. So of course, before we're going to use it, we have to read the manuals
Leave the plastic.
to make sure that we are doing it, we are using it efficiently and properly. Telescope. We have to find out what is this for.
That's another knife.
Yeah, I think so. And another one. So this is basically this is where you put all your food that you want to process. You can process some nuts, garlic, everything basically. You can also do some smoothie here if you want to. This is like a mini blender. It comes with a food processor. So it's if you want to make some sauce dressing for your salad, this is really good. This is the bottom part. The machine. It's also very nice, huh? It's nice. And the manual. box.
Guess what? This is the heaviest one.
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Wow.
Again, Philips.
This is the air fryer
And
from
with the
Philips.
absolute best air fryer in the world. I don't know if if you can see it.
So all the descriptions and the link where we bought this, I'm going to put in the description box. The manual, of course. It comes with a recipe book. Wow.
Air fryer today, one of the most healthiest way to cook without fat. Your French fries, everything that usually you would put into a fryer, into a fat pan.
Wait, let me do it. Let me do my best.
Yeah, okay.
Oh
Wow.
my god, this is heavy.
It is heavy. You have to be careful.
Yeah. This is how it looks like. Let me carry it. Oh my god. Heavy.
Open it up.
It's like, how many kilos is this?
16.
It should stay there in the box. Okay, see? I think you can put 1 kilo of French fries here if you're going to do it in French fries. Because the box, the place where you can put the food is quite big. Look,
Actually, it fits a whole chicken.
yeah, whole chicken. I have to put the camera closer. And this one. Can you remove this here? You can remove this.
Yeah, this is all,
Easy to clean.
no, it's all dishwasher cleanable.
Yeah, but for me,
But Sheila never puts it in the dishwasher.
yeah, one thing I learned from even with our grill, after you use, you have to clean it immediately. Don't wait for tomorrow. I'm using normally a tissue for this. So it remains like new. It remains new. Behind it
It's the cable.
is the cable for the power. Like this.
Just leave it there.
So it's easy, so you can fix it. So it's not really messy. You just hide it like this. It's like the vacuum.
Right. The next box.
It's easy.
And the
it's
next
not,
box.
It's not heavy, but it is meant to make heavy people lighter, including myself.
Yeah. Motivation guide. Yeah, I hope this one will really help.
You need 3. Oh, exactly. We have 3 left.
Is it double A?
Yeah, double 3. Triple A.
Oh, okay.
Double
Well,
3.
well,
Double
we
3.
we can put it.
Triple A.
See if it's working.
Double 3. That's your turn, double 3. Now, okay, we will find out who is the healthiest person in the world.
I'm not.
The manual, of course.
Of course, you need to download an app
Yeah, this one.
because this one connects to an app that keeps your history and everything. So it helps you motivate. It helps you guide.
It helps you to achieve your goal, of course.
But at the end of the day, of course, you have to achieve your goals by yourself.
It
These
has
are
nothing
just
to do with the weight.
supporting instruments.
Okay? We'll see. Let me try.
Wow, 44.20.
44.20. You want to show them? No, it's not going to break. Just try it. Please. Don't be scared.
I'm wearing my shoes. Can you just sit?
Yeah, just step on it. It's not going to break. Oops, 130, 140, 150. No. 123. My God, Marco, you can.
Unfortunately, we still have a lot of work to do. Meaning, sometimes even though
Yeah, we still have to bring Even if
Even
we try
though
to avoid not to print.
Even though we try to be paperless,
In our company, we hate paper. We don't want paper.
But it's unavoidable.
we love trees. So we hate paper.
The manual,
But this is an all-in-one. So it means that we can scan
the ink,
documents, keep it in the cloud.
get it in the cloud,
The biggest problem is our accountant. He always wants paper.
paper.
In the Philippines, we have a more clever accountant.
Oh my god! Yes, it's quite big.
Cable. So we're going to use this. So we need to send some documents from the Netherlands to the Philippines. Again, we have to print something.
You have to be able to lift the plate. Yeah.
Can we try? We scan our face.
Yeah.
So
I'm gonna scan this one.
it has a scanner. Yeah. Should be easy.
You should fit there, no problem.
Yeah. Okay, next one. Next box. Is it a box?
Yeah.
We're almost done. So we bought all these in BCC. But the next one is not from BCC. This is from which place was it?
BeddenReus,
BeddenReus.
which means the bed giant.
And we bought another one. The first one that we bought, this is the Four Seasons Duvet. The first one that we bought is from IKEA and we didn't like the material. We didn't like it at all. But we're not going to throw it away. This one is for us. We're going to use it in our master bedroom. And this one is a lot better. This is also Four Seasons. So the size of it is 240 by 220 centimeter. And it's made of dons.
Dons. I don't know what's dons. Feathers.
Yeah, dons is feathers.
No,
Not feathers.
the soft part of the feather.
Okay, real feather.
The real part of the feather.
Yeah.
And the outside is cotton satin. Very smooth, soft outside. As you can see, this is actually two pieces.
Yeah, you can flip it. Like this.
There is a thicker part.
Or
I hope you can see this.
this thin, you can see thin. And the other one, the other piece is thicker. Thicker than the other one.
So this one you use for autumn and spring when it is cold but not too cold. This one you use for
Summer. And
You connect them together and you have a
winter. You can use it for winter. The deck bed.
yeah, for cutting.
I didn't cut it.
Don't feel tonight.
I chose this because it's simple and elegant. So this is 100% cotton. The size is
240 by 220.
240 by 220, the same size as the. So it comes with two pillowcases.
And the pillowcase has a
Heart. You see, I like it simple.
nice little heart.
Okay. And this one,
Has a nice text on
and
it.
this one really caught my attention because it's simple and I like the text. How do we show the text?
Something like this.
Oh, like that.
Read it. It says, start the day with love and a smile.
It's nice, isn't it? Yes.
I want to add something. Start the day with love and a smile and a kiss.
And a kiss. Sealed with a kiss.
Sealed with a hug.
Yeah, this is a nice material. Same from the same company, BeddenReus. I'll also put all the description in the description box about this item. And that's it, guys. Very noisy.
Coffee time.
He's making a coffee and yeah, these are all the unboxing and I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to purchase the same item, just check that box. Check the box. Just check the description box. Or visit their website. Thank you so much. Bye!